Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily reach out to Gumroad support or how you can easily contact Gumroad support. So first, just make sure that you're logged into your account on Gumroad. So once you're logged into your account, in this section, just scroll down until you see help. So from here, you can see different issues that you can ask them. Can you try to reach out to their support? You can also search for a specific issue. Say, for example, this account login security. Then from here, just click on Contact Gumroad. From here, if we scroll down, we can see this to contact us, just email support@gumroad.com. So in that way, you can easily reach out to them and send your issues so that they can easily reach out to you and help you resolve your problems. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily contact Gumroad support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!